Today I want to show you some tips on replacing a tire for a Toyota Sienna. You can see we've got our donut on here, we've got a flat. The other day I wanted to go ahead and replace the lug nuts, but what I really wanted to show you is with the Toyota Sienna, just a nice little trick. The other day I was looking, where do I put my jack under the car? And you'll notice there's this little arrow right here on the side of the car, and it aligns with some, get under here a little bit better, it aligns with these grooves right here and right here. So what that means, that's where you're gonna wanna put your jack to lift it up. It's got that arrow right there, so it makes it nice and easy. So what we're gonna wanna do is we're just gonna lift our jack up so that it goes, there's actually a little image on the side of your jack that shows you where it's supposed to go. You're gonna just want those grooves to line up with the jack here, so we'll go ahead and show you where. So you can see it just goes right in there. Make sure it's lined up on that side. Make sure it's lined up on that side. So you can see it's nice and fit in there. So when you lift it up, it's gonna lift the car up. Hopefully this is helpful. Can help what can be kind of a stressful situation. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe to Big Al Repairs.